Hello gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. In October of 2020, my camera's falling over. In October, it's still falling over. Hold on a second. Why? Let's see. What is it doing? Alright, I'm looking to see if it's falling over. Alright, we're good. In October of 2020, I did a Lent challenge video. So I challenged myself to see if I could grow 3 inches in 3 months. All right, so now we're in January, so it is 3 months: October, November, December, January. I did my Lent check, which I'm going to show you after this intro, and you will find out how much I grew on this side compared to in October, and how much I grew on this side compared to in October, the crown as well as the back. And then I'll see you guys right back here in a minute. Well, it's going to be a little longer in a minute, but hey, watch the video all the way to the end. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys right back here after you watch me check the length of my hair. On this side, I'm going to use that. Not in front of us, stand to the side. No, the bathroom is tight. Stand to the side because of where the camera is. Where is it? Okay. Alright guys, so it's at 21. Yeah, this is where it was at. Should be looking this way. 21. Okay, let's see. All right, so it's 21. Where is it? Is that where my finger is? Okay, yep. So that section was right there. So a little bit past 21. Now I'm going to measure the crown. See what's going on here. I'm looking in my mirror in front of me. All right, so in my hair growth challenge video, this was 15 inches my crown. So let's measure the crown. On my fingers. Okay, you know, my finger was at 20, but it got thinner towards 20, so that's why she said 19. So we're gonna stick with 19. It was 15 before, so let's say I grew 4 inches in my crown. So the crown exceeded the challenge, but my sides fell short, a little bit shy of 3 inches. We're gonna measure the back. So if you want, I'm gonna bring it to the side so that we could get the tape measure in the recording. I'm gonna put this out the way. Let's see. Yes. Okay. So the back was 18, and I was saying in the last video, why is the back 18 and the sides 19? I thought the back would be 19 too, but it was 18. So let's see, where is it at now? Where does it fall? Is that where my finger is? It's a little below 19, so we're gonna stop with this. My finger fell actually a little below 19, but we're gonna go ahead. So it was like maybe a little past the ½ inch, but like I said, it gets thinner, so we're gonna go ahead and say 19. So it grew 1 inch or a little bit more than 1 inch. Wow, so that's definitely shy of 3 inches. So obviously my hair doesn't grow the same length in every section, and I think that's probably what everybody's here. Yeah, that's just what it is. Surprisingly, my crown grew a lot, which I'm happy for because I want to grow my crown out. I'm grateful for my 2.5 inches on both sides, and I'm grateful for my little bit over 1 inch in the back, but we're going to say 1 inch in growth. So that was a challenge. I said, hey, can I do 3 inches in 3 months? So did I do 3 inches in 3 months? You be the judge of that. I was not consistent with my vitamins. I was not consistent with oiling my scalp. I wasn't consistent with anything. The only thing I was consistent with was locking my hair away, keeping it braided back in cornrows, and wearing my wigs as a protective style. That's it. Just little to no manipulation. And I'm going to do that again for the next 5 months. All right, guys, I didn't go anywhere. I just continued talking, and I just inserted that clip in between this intro. So as you can tell, on both sides, I did grow 2 inches, a little bit more than 2 inches, but we're going to stick with 2 inches because it gets thinner past 2 inches and thinner on both sides. So from 19 to 21 and inches. And the crown was 15, and it grew from 15 to 19. So we're going to say 4 inches or 5 inches was actually to 20, but we stopped counting at 19 because it gets thinner and thinner. The back was 18, and it grew only 1 inch to 19. And so I said, hey, you guys be the judges to whether or not I did grow 3 inches. My crown grew a lot more, which is good because I want to grow out my crown. Because when I went natural, I did cut my crown a lot shorter. Also, additionally, my crown is the driest part of my hair, and so it tends to break easier. So I've been taking better care of it now that I understand over the years and have grown accustomed to, you know, the texture and what it likes and what it doesn't like. So it's been growing and it's getting fuller and longer, and I'm grateful. So I did say that initially when I started the challenge, I was drinking my MSM and my vitamin C a lot consistently. Pretty much I did it for 2 months consistently. That's the MSM and vitamin C. The oils, I would say I did a little bit over a month, which is the oils that I've mixed together, which is the Jamaica black castor oil and some essential oil. And I just love that oil. I love the cooling sensation it puts on my scalp. It just really is refreshing. Every time I use it, it gives me that cooling sensation. So I love that oil mixture, and it does really good for my hair growth. It's not that it doesn't work. I just, like most of us do, over time just get, like, I guess, lazy. I don't know. I just like forget it. You know, I just don't care. So, and I knew I was on a challenge, but it was just that I just didn't continue doing it, guys. So I had my hair braided back under this wig, which is what I did recently too after I washed my hair. When I did that lens check, I just washed my hair. So I braided back. And this time I'm going to have it braided back and locked away. No manipulation, which was what I did for the past 3 months as well. So no manipulation until this summer. So 5 to 6 months. I was saying 5 months, but I may do it for 6 months, which would be until July. Yeah, February, March, April, May, June, July. Yeah, this July is going to make no heat for 2 years for me. So my no heat challenge is going to be 2 years in July, and I can't wait. Yeah, so that's where we are. And I'm satisfied with my hair growth. I'm satisfied with the body that I have. I believe the reason why I have so much body and fullness in my hair is because I have not been using any heat at all. I don't blow it out. I don't use any heat. When I wash it, I use lukewarm water. I make sure it's not hot water or not too warm, just nice and luke. Yeah, just staying away from heat and little to no manipulation to my hair. I deep condition my hair when I wash it. I deep condition at least twice per month, which is every other wash. Yeah, so even when my hair is braided back, I wash it. You could wash your hair when it's braided back, and I add my moisturizer. I treat my hair the same way I would treat it if it wasn't braided. I just don't pull it out and I don't comb it. So it works for me, and I'm happy with my results so far. And yeah, so if you did benefit from this video, if you like my videos, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. It does help my channel out a lot, as well as this video. If you are into natural hair care videos, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button. All right, guys, I love to bring my hair videos to you. If you have any suggestions as to what's the next video you'd like to see, go ahead and drop that in the comment section, and I will see you in my next video.